This is a very good exercise to learn how to deal with different kind of factorials. In this problem, you will solve normal factorial, a subfactorial and a double factorial. So let's see how to solve this. As you know that n factorial equals to n multiply n minus 1 multiply n minus 2 dash 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 up to 1. Therefore, 3 factorial will be equals to 3 multiply 2 multiply 1 equals to 6. Similarly, subfactorial of n equals to n factorial multiply summation of k equals to 0 to n minus 1 to power n divided by k factorial. Here n equals to 3, therefore subfactorial of 3 equals to 3 factorial multiply bracket for 0 minus 1 to power 0 divided by 0 factorial plus for 1 minus 1 to power 1 divided by 1 factorial plus for 2 minus 1 to power 2 divided by 2 factorial plus 1 equals to 3 minus 1 to power 3 divided by 3 factorial bracket close. So this simplifies to subfactorial of 3 equals to 3 factorial is 6 multiply bracket minus 1 to power 0 is 1 divided by 0 factorial is 1 plus minus 1 to power 1 is minus 1 divided by 1 factorial is 1 plus minus 1 to power 2 equals to 1 divided by 2 factorial is 2 plus minus 1 to power 3 is minus 1 divided by 3 factorial is 6. So this further simplifies to subfactorial of 3 equals to 6 multiply, this is 1 minus 1 plus 1 divided by 2, this is minus 1 divided by 6. This 1 to 1 cancels. Here this is 6, 2 3 is 6 minus 6 1. So this simplifies to 3 minus 1 2 divided by 6 and multiply 6 equals to 6 cancels equals to 2. So subfactorial of 3 equals to 2. Similarly, n double factorial equals to n multiply n minus 2 multiply n minus 4 dash 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 up to 1. Therefore, 3 double factorial will be equals to 3 multiply 3 minus 2 1 equals to, so 3 double factorial will be equals to 3 multiply 1 is 3. So our main problem will be simplifies to 3 factorial is 6 minus subfactorial of 3 is 2 divided by 3 double factorial is 3. 6 minus 2 is 4 divided by 3. So 4 by 3 is our answer for this problem.